Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup. This is a sponge brush prepped with concealer. So I'm just going to apply all over my face and make sure you blend everywhere. Don't just stop at your neck when you're going out. You want to at least look like you know what you're doing. This is some Mega Plush Volume Express Mascara in black. You start with the middle of your eyelashes and work towards the outer edge. So you don't get clumpy lashes, because nobody likes clumpy lashes. This is some Revlon cheek blush. Very important when you are a little pale, to give yourself some color, but not enough to look like you've been attacked. So I just dip it once, put it on both cheeks. And then I blend with the clean side of my sponge. So it's important to leave one side of your sponge clean for blending. And if not, you can always wash these by putting Dawn dishwash soap on your hand and then rubbing them and letting them dry out to get off all the used makeup so you don't get bacteria on your skin. But I just cleaned this before I used it. And then this is Wet n Wild Mega Lash Liquid Catsuit in a rouge. If you really like what someone is wearing and it's a makeup product, ask them where they got it. The Wendy's lady said she got this at Amazon, and I thought with my fine motor skills this would be easy to apply, because it's just on a brush. So I don't have to struggle with opening the lipstick. So we're gonna go in the middle of her lip and start slowly. And this is normally the part where I would show you an eyeshadow routine. But today I'm just gonna say, pick out what works for you and just use a lighter hand. Because if you don't, it can be a lot of look. And I'm saying, there is a place for blue eyeshadow. And it probably looks best on Rihanna. And I know everyone's gorgeous, but some things only Rihanna can pull off. So, you got this, guys. Have a great day. And this is my makeup look. Bye.